It's time for another new Kansas City Spotlight. Here's your host, Lauren Scott.
If you've been diagnosed with cancer, there is a treatment center in Mexico that wants to help. To tell us more about Oasis of Hope today, I'm joined by Daniel Kennedy. Thank you for joining us today. Tell me more about Oasis of Hope Hospital.
Well, my grandparents founded Oasis of Hope Hospital in 1963, so 60 years, and they had a vision that we wouldn't offer just treatments, but we would offer a healing experience. So Oasis of Hope is a place for physical restoration, but also emotional healing and a spiritual revival. So we have oncologists, we do have cancer treatments, but we also have devotions for our patients. We pray together, we have lectures, we have cooking classes. We even have a rooftop garden where patients can go out and see how to grow the food, because food is the foundation for our treatments.
Okay, and how does prayer and alternative cancer treatments benefit patients?
When patients come to our hospital, oftentimes they have taken all of the conventional therapies and it's not working anymore. And so at Oasis of Hope, we do immune building and detox to get rid of all of the therapies that were used before. And our approach is less of attacking the cancer, but more of undermining the cancer, weakening it while we strengthen the patient's immune system. And one of the most important therapies that we do is a dendritic cell vaccine, where we use the tumor-specific protein from the patient to develop a vaccine that can go back and target that tumor specifically, using the patient's own immune system against it. Where does prayer come in? Prayer really builds a person's spiritual fortitude, which then can boost their emotions, positive emotions, that then have a good positive effect on the body and literally boost the immune system. So prayer is a fundamental part of our therapy.
Now, Daniel, as a counselor, how do you help cancer patients?
We tell everybody no one is dying of cancer, and we invite our patients to say with us, I am alive and I am dealing with cancer. That's very empowering. And then we look at cancer not as a problem, but an opportunity. And as a counselor, I'm very, very privileged to work with people in this opportunity to get a lot of healing. So we see people, marriages restored, or a relationship with an estranged child restored, and our focus is on forgiveness.
This Kansas City Spotlight has been paid for by Oasis of Hope. Visit oasisofhope.com.